प्रभु मथुरा नायक प्रभु मथुरा नायक मथुरा नायक.
Did not eat anything, rain or shine. He kept chanting Rama Rama all the time.
Rama 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 Rama.
Radhe Radhe. This is Gayatri from Atlanta, Georgia. My son Advait has been attending the Gopakutiram classes for the past 3 years and he has been thoroughly enjoying it. As a parent, we also have had wonderful Gopakutiram experience. In Gopakutiram, they not only teach the kids slokas, they also teach them lessons from Puranas and Itihasas, and they also give them moral lessons. That helps the kids get immersed in Indian values and culture. So as a parent, I would recommend these Gopakutiram classes to everyone.
Radhe Radhe. By the immense grace of our Lord Guru Maharaj, Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, we got introduced to Gopakutiram. Our kids have been going to Gopakutiram class for the past 4 years. Gopakutiram teaches a lot about our tradition, values, discipline in our kids' life, which we find very useful.
Kids learn a lot of bhajans, shlokas, and beautiful kirtanams composed by Shri Muralidhara Swamiji, and they get to enjoy a lot of activities planned by the teachers, and they learn a lot through those activities. It's important they learn about our gods, our Puranas, and our traditions and culture.
We are grateful to our Guru Maharaj for giving us this opportunity for our kids to be in this platform. We are sure that this will make our kids very disciplined, know about our culture, and lead a very healthy life. Radhe Radhe.
Hi, I'm Jyoti Palle and I live in Cumming, Georgia. I have registered my son in Gopakutiram like 4 years ago, and it's been a wonderful journey so far. I'm very proud that he was able, he learned so many things about our epic stories, and he can read Hanuman Chalisa, and he participated in many other events, cultural activities. He understands some Sanskrit words, he can read. There are so many things, so many good things that Gopakutiram has offered, and I'm very proud of that I took this decision, and I encourage other parents to do the same. Thank you.
Radhe Radhe everyone. I'm very happy to share a few words about Gopakutiram. This is Sumana from Atlanta. Gopakutiram is the class that brings God closer to our kids. We are also so happy to say that our kids have been part of Gopakutiram since the last 4 years. The Gopakutiram curriculum is so amazingly organized. They teach our kids traditions, values, stories of great devotees, bhajans, stotras, all Bhagavad Gita's, slokas, geetams, and some stutis. Sometimes they teach about some holy places. Sometimes they teach they play some skits. Sometimes they do some arts and crafts. So it's all overall, it's like the teachers here teachers in a fun-filled way. I see a lot of change and growth in my kids. The kids will have more enthusiasm for the next thriving years. Kids will be in a good track of bhakti and love towards God, and definitely they will enjoy the classes and they like the classes. My kids never say no to Gopakutiram class. They don't want to miss any single class. They love the class, and the teachers also, like Padmasri ji, Balaji ji, they are the teachers for our kids from the last 4 years, and the way they teach us our kids is like very interesting, and mostly kids love the teaching. Yeah. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Radhe Radhe.
Hi everyone, I'm Sudha.
And I'm Srina.
Aditya and Anvita have been going to Gopakutiram from past 5 years, I remember, and they love to go to Gopakutiram.
Yeah, I mean, in fact, we don't remember them, cribbing or trying to escape the class even once in the last 5 years. They really love to attend these sessions. They learn a lot, the morals, our culture, our value system, everything, all at the same time while having the fun. They look forward to every Friday. That's not the case with other classes. If it is math or science, they obviously try to crib, try to escape for some reason or the other. But in case of Gopakutiram, I mean, they obviously look forward for this day. So we sincerely appreciate Gopakutiram staff and teachers for making these classes learning, fun, and interesting. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.